Creatine is a natural chemical present in our muscles. It serves a key function in delivering energy for muscular contractions, particularly during high-intensity activities. This makes it a popular supplement among athletes and fitness enthusiasts wanting to boost their performance, grow muscle mass, and improve overall physical skills. Creatine supplementation improves the availability of creatine phosphate in your muscles. This immediately accessible energy source feeds your exercises, helping you to lift larger weights, accomplish more repetitions, and recover quicker. Imagine gaining an additional surge of power throughout those hard sets. That's what creatine gives, but the advantages extend beyond the gym. Creatine also helps muscle regeneration and development, making it a fantastic supplement for people intent on achieving a leaner, more muscular body. It's not a miracle drug, but it's a tool that may boost your efforts and help you attain your fitness ambitions quicker and more successfully. So whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, knowing how creatine works might be the key to unlocking your actual physical potential. The science of strength. Creatine's significance in muscular building. Creatine works by boosting the availability of phosphocreatine, a high-energy chemical stored in your muscles. During vigorous activity, the body consumes ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. Phosphate is its principal energy source. However, ATP supplies are limited and decrease swiftly. This is where pre-18 phosphate comes in. It contributes a phosphate molecule to a DP, or adenodiphosphate, turning it back to a TP. This replenishment of ATP helps your muscles to continue contracting with postponing tiredness and enhancing overall exercise performance. Furthermore, creatine increases muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body produces new muscle tissue. Studies have revealed that supplementation may greatly boost muscle growth and strength increases when paired with resistance exercise. By boosting energy generation and aiding muscle protein synthesis, creatine delivers a potent 1-2 punch for maximizing muscular development and sports performance. Choosing your weapon. Navigating creatine supplements. Walking into a supplement shop might be daunting with the various creatine alternatives available. But don't worry, learning the various kinds of creatine may help you make an educated decision for your fitness objectives. Creatine monohydrate is the most studied and readily accessible type. It's incredibly effective, inexpensive, and supported by decades of scientific investigations. For most persons, creatine monohydrate is the go-to solution. Creatine HCl, or hydrochloride, is another common alternative. It's recognized for its improved solubility, perhaps leading to better absorption and less stomach pain. However, studies comparing its efficiency to monohydrate is yet limited. Other versions like creatine ethyl ester and buffered creatine are touted for their improved absorption. However, scientific support these claims is frequently inadequate. Stick to the tried and proven monohydrate or try HCl if you desire greater solubility dosing for success. Finding your ideal creatine consumption. Determining the proper creatine dose is vital for optimizing its advantages. The most popular strategy is the loading phase followed by a maintenance phase. The loading phase entails ingesting a greater dosage, often 20 grams per day split into 4 equal doses of 5 grams each for 5 to 7 days. This saturates your muscles with creatine rapidly. The maintenance phase follows when you lower your daily dosage to 3 to 5 grams per day. This lesser dosage maintains appropriate creatine levels in your muscles. While a loading phase helps speed up the saturation process, it's not necessarily essential. You may attain comparable outcomes by regularly eating 3 to 5 grams every day. Experiment with various ways and see what works best for you. While constant daily intake is crucial, timing your creatine usage may further improve its absorption and use by your muscles. Post-exercise is considered the ideal time to take creatine. After a hard exercise session, your muscles are ready for nutrition uptake, enhancing creatine absorption and aiding recovery. Adding creatine to your after-exercise smoothie with protein and carbs provides a robust anabolic environment, aiding muscle development and repair. However, ingesting creatine during other times of the day is still advantageous, as long as you take it regularly. Experiment with various times and find what works best for your body and schedule. Remember, consistency is crucial for obtaining the maximum advantages of creatine supplementation. Creatine has been surrounded by myths and misunderstandings, generally arising from disinformation or obsolete research. Let's refute some of these falsehoods and put the record straight. Creatine is detrimental to your kidneys is a myth. Fact. Numerous studies have established that creatine supplementation, at approved levels, is safe for healthy persons with no deleterious effects on renal function. Myth: creatine promotes bloating and water retention. Fact: while some early water weight gain is possible during the loading period, this is mostly due to increased water content within the muscles, not subcutaneous water retention. Myth: creatine is just for guys. Fact: creatine is good for both men and women wishing to boost their athletic performance, build muscle mass, and improve overall fitness levels. While largely renowned for its muscle-building advantages, creatine may indirectly assist in fat reduction by boosting your lean muscle mass. Creatine stimulates your metabolism, helping you to burn more calories, even at rest. Additionally, the better exercise performance from creatine supplementation helps you to train harder and longer, further adding to calorie expenditure and fat burning. Remember, creatine is not a miraculous weight loss remedy. It works best when accompanied with a balanced diet, calorie restriction, and a steady exercise plan. Think of creatine as a tool to magnify your efforts, leading to more effective and efficient fat reduction. Creatine is typically safe for healthy persons when taken as advised. However, like any supplement, it's crucial to be aware of any negative effects and take it wisely. Some people may suffer moderate gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, particularly during the loading period. These effects are generally transient and may be avoided by splitting the daily intake or beginning with a lesser dose. It's vital to be appropriately hydrated when taking creatine, since it might pull water into your muscles. Drink lots of water throughout the day to prevent dehydration. If you have any pre-existing medical ailments or concerns, contact with your doctor before adding creatine to your supplement routine. Once you've learned the foundations of creatine supplementation, you may investigate advanced ways to further enhance its advantages. Cycling creatine. Some people opt to cycle creatine by taking it for many weeks or months, followed by a rest. However, evidence on the usefulness of cycling is inconsistent, mixing creatine with other supplements. Creatine stacks well with other supplements like beta-alanine, which may further boost exercise performance and postpone exhaustion. Timing creatine around exercises. Experiment with consuming creatine before workout to optimize energy levels throughout training sessions. Remember, these are advanced methods. Start with the fundamentals and progressively explore to discover what works best for your body and objectives. Countless sportsmen and fitness enthusiasts have reported extraordinary benefits with creatine supplementation. From professional bodybuilders to ordinary gym goers, creatine has helped people accomplish their fitness ambitions. Many users report considerable improvements in muscular growth and strength, enhanced training capacity, and faster recuperation periods. These real-world testimonies illustrate the efficacy of creatine when paired with adequate exercise and diet. While individual outcomes may vary, creatine has regularly shown to be a beneficial tool for increasing sports performance and accomplishing fitness objectives. Creatine ranks as one of the most studied and useful supplements accessible for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Its capacity to stimulate energy production, promote muscle development, and improve overall athletic performance is validated by decades of scientific research. Whether you're seeking to pack on muscle mass, smash personal records in the gym, or just boost your overall fitness levels, creatine may be a strong friend in your path. By knowing the science behind creatine, selecting the correct form and dose, and eliminating popular misconceptions, you can unleash the full potential of this extraordinary substance and boost your fitness to new heights. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.